with the use case diagram created in general, let's check here some specific topics we also need for several other diagrams when we work with all the different artifacts. With right click on one of them and properties here, you get a new window. Sometimes you also got this just via double click on it. In that case not, we will check this soon. Right click, properties, and here you see in general all the additional information of this artifact or of this block here. Depending on the type of artifact, here's another entry which is often stated with SysML. This means there are some specific additional entry possible which is available with SysML, or here are just some general information. For example, and this is really something important, give every block or every model element here a description. Okay, with that done, there are some special things about use cases. Use cases in general here are represented in this form, but you can specify the interaction between the use case and the user, or the actor in that case, or in general you can describe what happens when this use case here is executed. So you can describe the actions of the use cases. And here are several ways. You can, for example, use the activity diagram. We will use this in another example, but the shorter version of it that directly shows the actions that happen, just simply double click on it. Then a new tab here is opened, which is called scenarios. And here you can specify the actions of the use case. So for example, switch on the RC car and enter. And then we see here it is automatically allocated to the actor. Then step 2 is, for example, connect with user, enter, and it is automatically realized that the user is an actor we have created here. And for example, now we lost it. Here it is. And another one, receive connection feedback, enter. And we see here, okay, the first action is performed by the user with switch on the RC car. When this use case is applied, then the system tries to connect with the user and the user sees the feedback, for example. Via double click here, you can change it simply when it is the wrong allocated or the wrong linked actor or system. Okay. Save it, and that is in general the use case. Let's continue with the next diagram.